you of a lovely place, it's where I'd like to be, where I could pass my time away in merriment and glee. It's Collins Fair, I do declare, and it's with them I would go to take a stroll along the banks where the Mulcair River flows. You hills of Derk and of Brockisle, it's with you I'll remain. While I hunted on the mountainside by lovely Palace Green, fond memories of times take me back to the days long, long ago, when I used to ramble down the banks where the Mulcair River flows. It's well I do remember too, when in my youth and bloom I hunted on the mountainside by Cappamore and Doon, by Carrickbeg and Castletown, a place you all well know, and Gurtavala's muddy banks where the Mulcair River flows. Now tonight, my comrades bright, I will bid you all adieu, as I finish these last few lines, I'll quickly tell to you, train up your youth to hunt and to shoot, by the gun and dog to go, and to hunt